Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Angela from Uganda. Guys, what do we have today? We're going to make simple and nice bread with affordable ingredients. By the time you're done watching this video and you try it out, you'll never regret. Guys, let us make this simple bread. I first got my 2 cups of flour, then 2 cups of milk powder, 1 spoon of sugar, butter, then 2 spoons of honey, a little bit of salt, then 1 egg. Guys, I got my 1 cup of milk, then plus 1 spoon of yeast. Guys, I use yeast for baking. Then I mixed it very well. You can see that it's a little bit sticky, but the more you knead, the more it becomes nice. And the more you're giving it time to rest, the more the dough and the bread comes out to be nice. Let me hope you try it out this bread, guys. I send all greetings to all those who support me, those who have subscribed. Guys, the more you share this video, the more the channel becomes high. Guys, then we get our baking tray. We give it more 1 hour to rest or to rise or to double the size. Then afterwards we bake it for 30 minutes in the oven. That is 170 of baking. Yeah, guys, just check how nice it is. Wow.